Alright, we're going into the kitchen of this Airbnb. Now I'm gonna grab my gun. 1, 2, die. Wow. Whoa. Erica, check it out. 1, 2, bam, 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 bam. Property rights, Second Amendment. I'm gonna hold my gun to the side like in the movies. Like, not like... I'm sorry, veganism, but property rights come first. And you are roaches. Look at how many traps we've set. And wow, look at this.
So round.
This one is... Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And with all these traps, there's still roaches.
At least you document.
Why am I such a cheapskate on vacation? I take a vacation once every how often? And I went for the $107 Airbnb instead of the $250 hotel. I deserve this.
I wonder why you want to show me this.
I deserve this.
I didn't believe you, so you told me to come by just to see it, and I believe you now.
Whoa, look, oh, holy crap, Erica. What is this, some organic disinfectant or something? This is Purell. I expect this to kill things.
Yeah. I said I didn't believe you when you said it, but now I see it with my own eyes. Same.
Beautiful. Alright. Poor guy. Listen, I gave you all a fair chance to leave. I asked nicely. What'd you do? Alright. That's it for today, and yeah. Airbnb. It could have a good rating. Just be careful. So, stick with the hotel.